Hello students, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, periodic classification of elements. Do you know how the substances are formed? Substances are formed from the elements. The elements combine together to form a new substance. Okay, how many elements are there? There are 118 elements. Among them, 90 are natural and the rest of them are artificial elements or man-made elements. And you might have seen these elements in your textbook in the form of a table. What's the name of this table? That's periodic table. Okay. Periodic table. It comprises of 118 elements. What is the meaning of this periodic table? What is the meaning of periodic? Periodic means repeated at intervals. So, in periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic number. And here, some properties of elements are repeated at regular intervals. That's why the table gets its name periodic table. What is the purpose of classification of elements? Let's take an example. If we need a novel, where does we go? We go to library. Library consists of so many books like poem, epics, stories, novels, etc. If we put all books in a mixed manner, it is very difficult to find a particular book from them. So, what can we do? We can classify that. We can classify these books into stories, poems, novels, etc. And if we classify these books into separate section, it is very easy to find a particular book from that books. So, the classification is always done to make something easier. So why does we classify elements? Elements are classified to make the study of elements easier. Okay, so now we are following our modern periodic table, and the modern periodic table is discovered by Henry Moseley in 1930. Before that, many scientists made contributions to the classification of elements. And Lavoisier was the first scientist who made a contribution to the classification of elements in the year 1789. And the next one is the law of triads, which put forward by Dobereiner in the year 1817. And the third one is the Newland law of octaves, which put forward by John Newland in the year 1866. And the fourth one is Mendeleev periodic table, which put forward by the Mendeleev in the year 1869. And the last one is modern periodic table. That's our periodic table, and which we put forward by the Henry Moseley in the year 1930.